To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
And those are the opening chords to some classic Eric Clapton, Wonderful Tonight. I just found out he wrote that about Pattie Boyd Harrison, which was his muse for a lot of years there. He also wrote Layla about her, I think, if I remember right. So this song has got some great little changes in it. It's an easy strum kind of thing. You can get as fancy or as simple as you like on this one. So I'm going to show you the chords that are in the song itself. I'm going to spell them out for you. So you got a G, and you got a D, and if you want you can put the F sharp in there. Okay, more like this. It's a nice voicing of the D, but it's not necessary. And then C, and then it's also got an E minor in it, and that's it. Yeah, so you got G, D, C, and E minor. Those are the only chords in it. So here's how it goes though. It opens up with that little lick. We're not going to get into the lead too much today, but I'll sing through it. And so it starts out with a G, to D with an F sharp. It looks just like a D, and you got a F sharp here. You can also play it like this. You want to get your thumb over, and then C, D. So it sounds like. The verse changes go. Late in the evening, to D, C, wondering what, to D, G, puts on her makeup, D with an F sharp, C, brushes her alone, then to C, to D. And it does a little walk down here, G to D with an F sharp to E minor. Okay, got that? We've done this a lot in the past. G, and then a D with an F sharp in the bass, 2 on the low E, to an E minor. And then C, well my darling, to D. You're wonderful tonight. That's the opening lick. It's played on electric, so it's not one that you would necessarily need to do on acoustic, but that's what happens in the song itself. Okay, so the verse then again is go to a party, everyone stops to see. Now on that G, if you want, you can hit this one. I've got my ring finger on the B3. My pinky on the E3. We've done this chord before. I call it the magic G chord because it's got a chime to it. So if you're more comfortable with a regular G, that's fine, and a regular D, that'll get you there. And C, D, or you can do the chimey G like this. It's kind of nice, and then do the walk down to the D, which is I got my thumb over, and then a full C where you have the ring finger on the low G note, which is E3. It's got a nice full sound to the D. Okay, So let's try it with the chimey G, the full G, and then the walk down. To the big C. Again. Beautiful lady. C. Walking around with me. Back to the C. And then she tells me, you look alright. I said, darling, you look wonderful tonight. To the bridge, C. You look wonderful. D. Closer, C. Walk down from G. To the D with an F sharp, to E minor. Again, and the 1, C, D, back to C. Yes, Gloria, D. How much I love you. So those are the changes to Wonderful Tonight. Again, the lead, that goes along with the The only thing I would, special sauce I would throw into that one is on the bridge where it goes C, D, and then the walk down. Love light in your eyes. The C. I sometimes do that. For those of you that are comfortable with doing a pinch, you can do it with the pick, and you do a C. And then you walk down, and it looks like this. And I just sort of developed that to play on acoustic, because a lot of these songs I try to reimagine for acoustic. Just don't realize how much I love you. So that's something you can check out. Fancy, you don't really need it, but I like it because it kind of takes it out of the bridge into the lick, which in turn takes you to the final verse. So that's Wonderful Tonight, written by Eric Clapton, performed by him. I've seen him do that live. It's fantastic. He's just incredible touch. Well, he's Eric Clapton, what can I say? So thanks for coming by. Thank you again for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. I'd love to hear from you guys. So hit me up, leave me a comment, and we'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep.